Hello, friends, and welcome to another benefit of the Dowd Unboxing. I am your host, Adam Dowd, as always, and today we have... I'm not going to do the spinning thing because I kind of suck at it, so I'm just going to put it out there. The Stadia Premier Edition. Now, for those of you who do not know, if you are a YouTube subscription, if you are a YouTube Premium, what the hell is it? Okay, if you are a YouTube Premium subscriber, I can talk, really I can. If you are a YouTube Premium subscriber, check your email because they may have offered you one of these for free. And that's a $99 value. Actually, right now it's a $69.99 value because it's on sale for Black Friday, go figure. But this is a Stadia Pro Controller plus a Chromecast Ultra so that you can get the full Stadia experience. One place for all the ways we play. So let's get out the trusty knife. Let's unbox this baby. And this is all shrink wrapped. Yeah, we made one cut. We're good. Okay, so let's just tear all this off here. And then let's let gravity do its job. Come on, gravity, you have one job to do. There we go. Oh, look at that. It is just blammo right there. We'll give some first impressions on this as well. So let's put that up there. Let's pop this open. Here's a charger for the Stadia controller. I don't think the cardboard going into the USB plug was strictly necessary, but we'll go with it. So it's a USB-A to USB-C cable. And then a little pull tab here for some instructions, I'm guessing. Oh, getting started. Okay. All right. That's pretty nice. Warranty. Nobody will ever read that. And then here is the Chromecast Ultra. You remember that it's magnetized? You get the magnet on the bottom here, which, I don't know, helps you store it, I guess. And then here is the power cable for the Chromecast Ultra. I usually just plug it into the USB port on my TV, but who knows? Maybe you can't even do that anymore. All right, so that's it. So we've got the Chromecast stuff. We've got the Stadia stuff. And that's gonna do it. I thought there was a like a holder to put your phone into, to like clip your phone into, like the top. Is that like a extra accessory or something? I could have sworn that was a thing. I don't know. I'm not a gamer. So okay, so this is the controller, and you know you've got your Stadia button right there, your Google Assistant button there, your typical D-pad here, and X, Y, B, A, more triggers, more buttons than I'll probably ever use in a game. I believe this is the button that you push if you want to share out like one of your game's progresses with your Twitch followers or something. I'm not on Twitch, and oh, that's fun. So, and then yeah, so the Chromecast Ultra. Oh, that's right. The Chromecast Ultra also has a an Ethernet port, so you can plug in a hardwired Ethernet connection. And hello, micro USB. That's adorable. Okay. So anyway, yeah, so the controller feels really good. I mean, it feels like a typical, Xbox, PlayStation controller. Not that I've had a whole lot of those in my hands, but yeah, these buttons push down. It should be a fun thing. It's funny that this is USB-C and this is micro USB. So incidentally, I also have a Chromecast, a new Chromecast with the Google TV coming in the next few days, so I'll be unboxing that as well. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this. I mean, first impressions, it's a controller. A lot of people like to have the first impressions along with the unboxings. It feels like a controller. That's my first impression. And I'm pretty sure it is a controller, so that's good. I'm really on board with that. So I always thought there was a clip for your phone that you could clip your phone into and like play a game. Maybe we'll like just duct tape it, do that, and then we can. Yeah, no, I don't think that would be good at all. But this opens up some interesting possibilities. If we could have like Twitter or something down here. I'm not going to put in my pin in front of everybody, but if we had Twitter down here, a Stadia game going up here, and a controller down there. Yeah, so Google, I need you to get to work on the LG Wing clip for the Stadia controller, okay? So now that since I know Google watches all these videos, I know they're going to get right on that because that's important. That is definitely not niche at all. So that's going to do it for this video. Here is the controller, the Chromecast Ultra, all the plugs you could possibly want. Once again, my name is Adam Dowd, benefitofthedowd.com, Benefit of Dowd on Twitter, Benefit of the Dowd on TikTok, and make sure you subscribe, smash that bell, and I will see you in the next video.